Hello friends, you are watching my video that I've made to show you the activity in Scratch that I've made for the blockathon competition. I'm Ayaan from Kolkata. I study in grade 5th of St. Jude's High School. This year it's ending and everyone was celebrating Christmas. So I thought of utilizing my coding skills in Scratch and make an activity that we could play. So this is the activity that I've made. And this is the activity or a game, as you can call it, that I've made in Scratch. In this activity consists of 3 sprites: the snowflake, the Christmas tree, and of course Santa. In the snowflake, I've done this much coding so that the snowflake falls from the upper edge to the lower edge. In the Christmas tree, I've done 2 parts of coding. This part so that the Christmas tree comes from this side to this side, and this much so that the difficulty increases. The distance between the Christmas trees decreases slowly till you play, until the distance is half of that when you started. And in Santa, I've done this much coding so that when you press the spacebar key, he jumps, and if you touch the Christmas tree or any edge, it will be game over. So let's see the game. To play this game, you have to press the go flag, and you have to use the spacebar key to avoid the Christmas trees. As you can see, it is a very interesting game, and if you touch the Christmas trees, the upper edge or the lower edge, it will be game over, as you can see. In this game, you have to make the highest score that you can. This game is for making high scores, and it goes on forever. The difficulty will increase slowly until it will be very hard. In the start, it is very easy to play, but every 100 score that you make, the difficulty will increase. Like if you make 100, it will increase 200 again, like that, 300 again. So this is the game that I've made, and this is the code. To make this game, it took me a lot of effort to make and think how to do this. It took me a lot of time also. So, well, this was the game that I made, or activity. So, thank you friends for watching this video, and bye.